Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Chelsea, and in today's video I'm gonna do a quick little flip through of all of our new releases from Friday, February 10th. So I'm really excited to be doing this video because I love this collection, and I feel like it's been a while since I've done a new release video. I know you guys love my plan with me's, but I really just wanted to hop on here really quickly and show you guys this new collection because I am obsessed with it. So this is really special because my sister Ginny created the artwork for this kit, and she has such a unique style, and this theme is so cute. So this is our new Magical Girl collection, and we did have a freebie for Friday orders. So if you order with us on Fridays when we release new items, your order will come with a special freebie, and it usually matches the collection that we release. So this one is this really cute sticker die cut, but if you missed out, we also listed them in the shop, so they are available for purchase, and it's so cute. I love this. All right, so this is the standard weekly kit, and it comes with 3 sheets. So we have the full box sheet right here, which includes this incredible art that my sister did, and I just want to give you guys a close-up of these boxes. So we've got the date covers here, and I love all these little gems. It's just so cute. And then here's the washi page with some boxes, and I have this laid out in a planner so I can show you guys. So I have this in an old Recollections planner. Let me zoom out so you can see the whole thing. You can use this kit in lots of different planner sizes, but here is what it looks like laid out in a 7x9 planner. And we also have the weekly kit formatted for Hobonichi Cousin, which is also a 3-page kit. So we have the boxes and date covers and washi, and I have that one laid out in my cousin. I actually filmed a time lapse playing with me on this for our Instagram reels, so you can check that out if you want to watch me lay this out in fast mode. But yeah, I love the colors. Okay, and we also have, of course, Hobonichi Weeks. So we have just the weekly kit. You can also do this add-on sheet with it if you like. It has some extra stickers, like the weekend sticker, some boxes, and then we also have the jumbo sticker, and I have that laid out in my weeks so I can show you guys what it looks like. And we do also have the jumbo sticker available in the other sizes. So we've got the A6, B6, and A5 or Hobonichi Cousin. We also have some stickers for the Hobonichi Cousin daily pages. So here's what they look like. I have them laid out in my cousin. So this is the date cover sheet, and you can pick your format for the English cousin, which is what I have. So it's just like 1 square longer, I think. But we also have the Japanese original, which is just a little bit shorter, so you get some more stickers on there. But yeah, they're basically the same thing. I just wanted to show that to you guys so it's not confusing. But here's the washi sheet, and this washi would also fit the bottom of the weekly pages because it's the same width across. But I have them here on the dailies. I think they look really cute with the date covers. And if you don't use a cousin, or if you also use an A6, we do have this size as well. So here's the washi and the date covers, and I have that laid out here in my Hobonichi Avec. It's so cute. We also have a sheet of just standard vertical washi strips. So this is sized to fit a 7x9 planner, which is pretty big. So you could use this for whatever planner you have and just cut it into pieces. I love these gems. So stunning. And then this last little bit we have here includes lots of deco. So we have just a standard smaller sheet of deco stickers to match with the kit, and we also have a sheet of Bujo deco stickers, which is very similar, but these stickers are quite a bit bigger, and some of them you can actually write in. Like this one, I left this space blank so you could put in your plans or whatever inside the little phone. I don't know, I think it's cute. And then we also have sticker die cuts. So you can get this whole set for a discounted price, or you can just pick up individuals that you like. I think the phone is so cute. And then we have Star the Unicorn. Just look how pretty that is. You just gotta see it in person. So cute. Okay. Oh, and we also made some new sticker books. So I'm gonna zoom back out. All right, so we have a 5x7 reusable sticker book, and it matches the collection. So if you need a new special place to store all of your magical girl stickers, we got you covered. So this is just a book of sticker release paper, and you can literally just stick your leftover stickers right on these pages and store them for later use, or just hoard them forever. It doesn't matter. But yeah, these are laminated, so it's nice and durable. And we also have sticker albums, which are a different design. I love these so much. So you can pick the light or the dark skin tone, and they're both the same size. Here's the spine with all the gems. And then the back has the quote. I just love it. So this is basically like a photo album, and this is the smaller size. So just to show you, it will fit our smaller sticker sheets. And these are also laminated. All of these designs are located in our specialty section. All right, so that was all of the magical girl stuff. Now I'm gonna show you the rest of our new releases, and I just have it in this bag. So first, let me show you the washi card. So this is kind of random, but we're adding this new item to the shop, and it's a little late season, but that's okay. We knew some of you guys would still really appreciate these, and we wanted to see what you think. So we made these in-house, and it's just a limited batch, and I don't know if we still have any in stock. I haven't checked. I should have done that. I'm sorry. But we could make more, so let me know in the comments if you're interested, if we don't have any more. But we do want to do some other designs eventually. But anyway, so this is a metal washi card, and it matches our pastel winter collection. So you could wrap washi around this and actually use it to take washi with you on the go, but you can actually use it as a washi cutter because it's got that straight edge, but it's super cute and durable. I'm excited to have this new item added in the shop. Now the rest of this stuff is just monthly kits, and the first ones I'm gonna show you are the Friends Forever. So some of you said you wouldn't mind that this is added to the shop kind of late. So we went ahead and formatted this collection for our monthly kits, and this is the 2-page standard vertical monthly, and I have it laid out in the Recollections planner. Okay, so this is so cute. And up here at the top, I used our large bubble letter stickers to put in the month because these do come undated, so you can use it for whatever month you like. But I love this for February. And we have lots of other formats, so let me go through them really quickly. We have Hobonichi A6, which I think I do have. Yes, I have it laid out in my planner. So that's what this kit looks like. And we also have it formatted for Hobonichi Weeks. And I've got that laid out in this Old Weeks, just so I can show you guys. And what's next? Okay, Hobonichi Cousin. So here's that one. And then these last three are print impression kits. So this is the PP Weeks kit, and it comes with numbers because the planner is undated. And then these last two are for the print impression B6. So we have one for the hardbound, and then one for the coil bound planner. They're very similar. So here's the hardbound, just so I can show you guys what that looks like laid out. And I've paired it with our hollow foil monthly stickers. Alright, so that was all of the Friends Forever monthlies. And then these last few monthly kits, we added our all Hobonichi A6 because we already have all the other formats for these collections available. The A6 is a new size that we recently added, so we're still working on getting all those kits done, but I'm so happy to have these. So we've got the Lucky Clover collection, and this one came out really cute. I added in the newsletter die cut, so if you're subscribed to our email list, you can get a special freebie with your order, and we always put the details on that down at the bottom of the email that we send out every month. We also send one out when we have like a sale or something. But yeah, this month we've got a cute rainbow, and it just goes so well with the March kit. So let's see, the next one we've got Hanging With My Peeps. So this is a really cute Easter theme, and I have that one laid out in this Old English A6. So I just covered up the dates, but it looks really nice. I love the pastel colors on that one. And then we also have a springtime kit, and I think I might have that one laid out in my planner. Yes, so I've got this one down for May. And then the last one is the Mother's Day collection, and I have that one in here, I believe. Yeah. And you can see I paired it with those large bubble letter stickers again. So yeah, I'm having fun laying out all these monthly kits and trying different combinations of monthly stickers with them. Alright guys, so that's all of our new releases from Friday. I hope you love everything. Let me know what you're most excited about down in the comments. I really love the sticker albums and this washi. Oh, it's so pretty. Anyway, I hope to be back soon with a new plan with me because I want to use some of this new stuff in my planners. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!